Namaste. Welcome to Learn Ayurveda. Ayurveda itself a gift to us, and that gift has given us one wonder herb. And this herb help our body to breathe 300% of oxygen, and that is called Haritaki. It is also called as Harar. We must have seen in our Indian kitchen this ingredient, but may not have used it. It is mainly used in some fermented drinks, pickles, or in the form of churana. So, what is the nature of this herb and what it does to our body? Why it is called wonder? So, the nature of this herb is to only cleanse. Cleanse our body, cleanse our gut, and give a disease-free body. But there are sometimes have some problem in digestion, and that food material stays inside. Sometimes it becomes it turns into toxins. There is a gastric formation. There is a acid formation. So we stay with it, and on the next day we don't get a good cleansing feeling after we go to washroom. So whole throughout the day we feel uneasy, we feel lazy, we feel little bit angry, and there is like lots of interest doing anything, and there is a heaviness in the gut area. There is a gastric issues happening, acidity happening, and we don't feel that energetic, super energetic. We may plan to do this, do that this day, and sometimes we don't feel that enthusiastic to do things. And what is that? That is that we don't get the good cleansing in the morning. And this herb has a special role in throwing out all the unrequired thing from the body. So whatever is not required inside, it just flushes out. It flushes out everything which is just extra inside the body. So when we start having this herb, we get a good cleansing system in the morning. Like everything is flushing out, all the toxins, gases, acids, undigested food materials, and a good feeling of that everything is getting cleaned, and then you feel super energetic and ready to do anything, as there is no foundation in the body, there is no heaviness, there is nothing inside it. It just helps our body to feel free, and when everything is cleaned, we feel free and we feel beautiful all the time. And when everything is clean from the body, there will be no disease formation. Why disease form? Because whatever is not required in the body, if keeps staying inside, it takes some shape of disease. It gets turned into disease. So that is why in Ayurveda says that if you have a good gut, you will not be having any disease. So that is why it is called wonder herb. So I will quickly cover what all it does to our body. It is easily digestible. It aggravates hunger and helps in digestion. It improves the intelligence and sense organ. It's a laxative, so we get a problem-free stool. It is recommended for long life. Now, when there is no problem in the body, when there is no diseases in the body, so definitely we will be getting a long life. And this is best to maintain youth as well. It also helps to cure the skin diseases, and even its powder, we can use it as a face pack or a scrub, and that plays a wonderful role on the skin as well. It cures the disorder of voice and chronic intermittent fevers, diseases of head, eye, anemia, heart disease, jaundice, obesity, fainting, vomiting, intestinal parasites, extra salivation, cold, fever, and all the diseases arises with the aggravation of vata and kapha. It cures that. It also helps in abdominal tumors, enlargement of spleen and abdomen, and loss of taste. So just a half a teaspoon of this haritaki powder in the night time. We have to take it with warm water, and that's all. And this wonder herb will start playing its role. I myself has experienced the changes in my body since I started learning Ayurveda, and I've taken this. I've started taking this herb as a like in a powder form in the night, and I can see the wonder results. Definitely, I'm getting the good clean in the morning, but not only that. It gives me a happy feeling all the time, that I feel light and like my brain works little extra, and it's like I'm growing, feeling of growing every time that. But I'm happy that I started having this, and I have seen many people have started taking this medicinal herb, wonder herb, and they have changed their life. So the main problem is gut. If we have a problem-free gut, we get a problem-free life, a problem-free body. So I highly recommend you guys to start taking this powder. You may get it online, or if you can just get the herb from the market, and you can just make powder at home and just start having it. So in the end, I just want to tell you that when your body breathes a lot of oxygen, you reaches to the higher frequency of energies, and when you do that, physically, mentally, spiritually, you're high. So why not give it a try and get this wonder herb? Do comment in this video if you feel any changes in your body after having this wonder herb. I don't want to call it haritaki or harad, I just want to call it wonder herb. And I hope you will also feel the wonderful effect of this wonderful herb. That's all for today. Thank you.